Another Malakenyam can ask the Allen Contilinka Roisni Kanur online TV channel. Biakamal Kanur online TV. Mi jiram jadit kajan shangan yam kajina me ko biben Kanur online TV channel. Tia jajian go de subscribe. Ko de ler titi de kan kula mala shub kaji. Go rejen go be subscribe. Ka be like. Ka be comment. Ka be share. Ka be jan yoka nasin kokien. Tinko Kanur online TV channel. Ban lertin tuog antama wi mon ka jan gwasame bana kelin ka pelpin. Shuja perwe jano win mon charoda ger eno ba lere ba kaling anisha. Jan gwas dan bien leri bien kaling tin and gwasame katungne nas wana ka leren dan en lerode en wale wanatin. Leren baling ka jan gwasame share nyal UN. Mishiwere wich murlëë kache unyur winy mishwal ka Jebel Boma County. Shala do re nyal che chun wich akwaika a murlëë ka chwe nyur gwas misha de nyurtin re rop. Gwas meteke kilometer chop ko well diet ka wich. Peter Ajanga led key minister ka Greater People Administrative Area la wich murlëë. Shala no shal kopteramo chaja kapchong kume. Ka peni jajien dundo cha ger katin gar keje chaka ke bukume ka chaka utich kamen nyur ka akan ngaj ki duob dana beka kare wich akan ngaj anyok kano ngum nyur ka gwasmana nan mishu ma wich chala do jel kan kel ke jiwen ki jor ki latin chala do weken gurna dabni ko en Jebel Boma County chala do jena gwasmete ka damni tungwan ki gwasmete ka damti ki kwakton koni kut ka chak la jortung wan long la kana wer en winami ko bikan damno bikan ko gor en mo cha helicopter mo cha ju detain ke cha ja kapchong ko ba ke tich cha ga tich ko dob dan lel kenere wichin winami anyok man bana ngach tel helicopter mala jel karwada e bore wich akan ngach helicopter la jelle e take a connection ngani de content winami te re nal mede jal mu we lora bang akan ko ra kenetin kon ki gwad dana within charo jamo chaja kwen wamen chalat arenyal wachi chonko jan charode chodde wich akan ngach chala ngo renyal mo chaja palwe neten kon tinte lwangte pinjere which ka Greater People Administrative Area. A helicopter that was briefly held by authorities in Jebel Boma County, South Sudan over an authorized landing has been released and allowed to return to the capital Juba, local officials said. Wari nyala dane cha kapchong ka Jebel Boma kume South Sudan ten winami ala kume murlëë chala do re nyala ikana kapchong chikana lo nyantama chalo jok shawre which ka Juba. Peter Ajany, a local government minister of the Greater People Administrative Area, said on Thursday evening that the aircraft was not formally detained but that its crew had been summoned for questioning to clarify the mission in the area. Wado badan en kap ka re nyal keje chong cha yenije duno gorno ba jik ne ko nan geir ba ka tis ke ne ko nan jel kel keje ajen robo danen kap kare nyal ma chonga je ko jen chala do jel ken kane ti gorka dabni re wich ka Jebel Boma ki ka GPAA. The county commission reported the situation to us and we instructed that the helicopter be allowed to proceed in Pibor. Mr. Kamoy say, upon arrival, the crew identified themselves as investors, but could not provide any documentation to support their claim. Ken na wa chaga jogono bo ka Pibor, ko kan chiga nyurka county, chu kan ka Pibor, ka chaga jogono bialu jog bialu re wiki Juba ko kan man chaga tul water wargande chaga ka katinyo da gwano kan ke investor. Ko kan jikan la do kalat, ken e konti la damnu la kan ka gor. Kuka na gwinya wich ka gweje no shinade jalor bang mitali wargam jel kayem. He added that we advise them to return to Juba and gather the necessary document if they intend to operate in this area. Akane chine ka jak kaluch are which ka South Sudan ke ka Juba ko biga warga oben biga warga no nong tinyo da gwa en wo ken gor kano de ka lere which en gwasme. This was not a detention but a request for clarification. Kanisha yenke dundo gorno bangaja gwan and jelkan ke wargane ke chigan jelke wargane. There were 3 foreign nationals on board the helicopter. What Jordan jok teketen. Riäynhial. Jebel Buma County is known for its gold mine and potential oil reserve, which have attracted interest from investors in recent years. Jebel Buma jante ka damne ka te ka liye da la petroleum wache investor tin wan kene kon la lat la jor ka jago bukana bere we ka Jebel Buma ko gor kan ode ka lertenen binami ne me janda na gor ode kon ling biata ka mal mi jiram jidit ko subscribe ko ku jinwa nasin ko ken biata mal bye bye.